Hey you guys, it's your girl Chanell and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken Rasta pasta. So if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. These are the ingredients that I use to make this Rasta pasta. I'm going to have the grocery list in the description as I always do, so you'll be able to find everything that I'm showing in the list. So the first thing I'm going to do is wash and clean my chicken. So I'm going to let it soak with some vinegar. That's how I clean my chicken. However you clean your chicken is how you clean it, but I'm going to clean mine with some vinegar and water. I'm now going to separate my chicken and I'm going to cut it into cubes just like this. This is the seasoning that I use to season the chicken, and this is the jerk sauce that I use. You can use any type of jerk sauce, but I use this one and I use a mild one. So now you season your chicken to your liking, and you're going to place 2 teaspoons of the jerk paste into the chicken. You're going to mix everything extremely well, and then you're going to let it marinate for about 30 minutes. I did it for about an hour, but 30 minutes is fine. Now you're going to get a pot of water. You're going to add oil and salt, and you're going to bring this to a boil before you put your noodles in. You're now going to get a separate pot. You're going to place some oil in it, and then you're going to add your chicken cutlets to this pot. So as your chicken is cooking, you're then going to cut your peppers. So you're going to get 1 green pepper and 1 red pepper. And you're also going to cut up 1 onion. And now you cut up 2 green onions. So now you should have all your ingredients separated just like this. And now you're going to get another pan and you're going to place some oil, and then you're going to add all of your ingredients into this one pan. And now we're going to check back on our chicken. We're going to cook this until it is completely, I like my chicken crispy, so we're going to do it until it's crispy and well done. Now we are coming back to our peppers, and we're just going to cook these until they are completely soft. And once they are, you're going to take them out the pot and put them in a bowl. Now that our water is boiling, we're going to place the pasta into the water, and we're going to cook this for about 10 minutes or however long the box says. Our pasta is now done, and we have separated everything. So we have our noodles, our chicken, and our peppers, and we're now going to make the sauce. You're now going to add a half a stick of butter into the pan, and you're going to melt this butter down. Get 6 pieces of garlic, and you're going to chop these up really finely, and you're going to add this to the melted butter. Next, you're going to get 4 cups of heavy cream, and you're going to add this to your butter and garlic. You're now going to add Parmesan cheese and cream cheese to make your sauce. Once you have everything together, you now want to whisk everything evenly throughout the sauce. You want to make sure your Parmesan cheese and your cream cheese melts evenly. I also added this seasoning into the sauce. This is optional, but you can add some of this to it because that's what I did. Now that the sauce is ready, we're going to get a separate pot and we're going to place a little bit of oil in the pan. so that we can get everything really mixed well. You don't want to have too much sauce and not enough noodles. So we're gonna mix it in parts. So we're gonna place some noodles down, then we're gonna add some chicken. We're then gonna add some sauce, and we're gonna add some of the peppers, and we're gonna give this a really good mix, and we're gonna repeat these steps one more time. Once you stir everything up, you're then going to add the jerk paste. You're going to add anywhere from 2 to 3 teaspoons. I'd say 3, but keep in mind, me adding 3, it was kind of spicy. So you may want to add 2 first, taste it, and if you feel like you need more flavor, you can add 3. And once you mix the paste in, you're then going to sprinkle some paprika in your noodles, and then you are done.